Hi everyone, this is Bizzy Izzy here, and I'm going to show you what Stomperrr is all about today. Now, Stomperrr basically finds you leads. It goes through all the trouble of sorting through all these different businesses and finds which ones are struggling so that you can market to them. It finds you their emails, their website, and of course the business name. All that you have to do is input a keyword and your location. It can be any location really within this type of radius, anywhere from 1 mile to 25 miles. You can save the results for future reference and market to them whichever way you want. Here, let me show you how you do that. It can be any type of business that you can look through. Anything from a muffler shop, auto repair, dentist, doctors, you name it. Candy store, whatever you can think of, you can find it. A legitimate business. For this example, we're going to use muffler as a keyword. Auto repair business. Location, let's say Chicago. I mean, it's a pretty well-known city. Click search. It takes a while sometimes. It's going through millions and millions of businesses. It finds which one's the best ones to market to, and voila. Here you go. Now you see all these leads right here. The name of the business, the website, their email if it's available, and most importantly their internet speed. Now the internet speed is important because the slower the internet speed means that it has a poorly designed website. These are the ones that need the most help. These are the best ones to market to. See, this one is a 44, it's kind of low. This one would be a good idea to reach out to them any way you can. Leads. It's literally finding you money. Now the interesting thing is it even goes through all the trouble of checking the internet speed for you. It might take a while, but it does just that. Now I only got 13 leads here, but it's because I had the radius too low, only 3 miles. But this is just to give you an example. And remember, the location doesn't have to be your location. Literally, it can be any location in the world, and reach out to them via email, phone, and market to them. See, it even finds their social media accounts, if they have one. How many of them do? So, if you get this through me, you qualify for my exclusive bonuses, which include over-the-top shoulder step-by-step tutorial for Enigma, Octane, Invisible, and other products from Brandon Mace. My super affiliate Rolodex arsenal for 2020, including over 20 different products. How to become a super affiliate in 2020 and beyond. How you can make an extra $500 a week using nothing but free tools you can find on the internet. Find out my $1,000 in 2 days case study and just follow these simple steps. They're explained step by step. And how I made $500 commissions in 7 days with 1 free traffic source. You'll be able to access all these from the vendor and plus my super secret exclusive bonuses. And you'll find these on the inside. Well, thanks for taking a look, and yeah, I'll be happy to show you these on the inside.